Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Sampson and I practice therapy in the New York area. And I am the owner of Restoration Therapy Center. And I come on here every now and again to share content with you all, therapy related content, maybe ask and answer some of your questions that you may have. And today's question is, what's it like doing therapy with a minority therapist? So it's, I think that question is very, very interesting. First of all, because there definitely is a difference. Okay. Shout out to the white therapists out there in the world, the Caucasian therapists out there in the world, the Asian therapists out there in the world, the Hispanic therapists out there in the world, all of y'all, love all y'all. Okay. And it's just different. We're different people. We're different cultures. We have our own different flares and our own mixes to things. And it's very, very different. What I will say is sometimes my clients come into my office spaces, and I say spaces because it's a physical thing or it's a virtual thing sometimes. So sometimes they come into my office space and we may shoot the breeze for just a second. When I say shoot the breeze, sometimes I'm like, girl, what? That happened? Or I may say something like, last week you said this, and this week we talking about this. Man, that's so interesting. And I may have that real dialogue as we do in many multicultural cultures. It's very rare that I kind of do the traditional, and maybe it's just traditional therapy culture. It's very rare that I'm writing things down saying, tell me what you think about that. Tell me how you feel about that. Very rare for me. A lot of times and it could be the population of people that I actually meet with and see, but a lot of times the people that I interact with, they say, shoot it straight. Tell me how you feel about this. Let's have a real conversation. And so many times when I'm talking to people, my conversation is very much so provoking. I always tell people that I'm a provoker naturally because I believe that people can change. I believe people can heal. And so part of what I feel like my gift set is to provoke you. And so I do that. And sometimes I may say, I call that is lies. Those are lies. Tell the truth. Be honest. And people will say, whoa, fine, I'll tell the truth. And sometimes people get back and forth with me. And so I really enjoy that. My clients know me by now. They come in and they are ready to have a good time. We laugh, we cry, and we talk about the good stuff. I'm never expecting them to have all the answers, and I dang sure don't have all the answers. And so it's a person who's walking through life with them. And I really enjoy that spin that being a minority therapist gives me, where I don't have to present like anybody else other than myself. I don't have to know all the grammar. I ain't got to do all of that. I ain't going to go into difference of cultures and stuff. But what I'm saying is, I can shoot straight, and I'm in the New York area. And so being in the New York area, if you're not familiar with New York, people are very direct here, very direct, very, tell you how they feel in your face sometimes. And it's important to be able to keep up with the community and the culture in which you serve. And the community and culture that I serve requires me to be blunt. And so sometimes it is a bit blunt when I communicate. And sometimes I've had clients say, I don't like being told what to do. I don't like that whole feeling of that. And sometimes that just, I tailor it sometimes, and sometimes we just may not be a good fit. And that's okay, because there are others who can come in and I can say, stop it, cut it out, stop doing that. And here's another alternative for me not just saying stop doing that, but I'm saying, hey, we can do something different, CBT. We can do something different. What are we going to do differently? Okay, this is not working. This is insanity. It's not working. What can we do over here that could be different? Let's help each other figure it out. I'm just kidding. I'm helping you figure it out. But sometimes it looks just like that. Us just having conversations, authentic, real conversations. And so I have people who call me and say, I'm looking for a minority therapist in general. Like they call looking for a minority therapist sometimes because they say, I want to be able to let loose and be myself. And I don't feel like I can always be myself and let loose. We talk about Black Lives Matter. We talk about being a minority in America. We talk about the pressures of fatherless homes. We talk about infidelity. We talk about it all. There is nothing off limits. Okay, there's nothing off limits, and we share in dialogue with each other in a homegrown type of way. So if you ain't got you one of them, you need to get you one of them. Go get you one of them minority therapists, okay? It's the deal. I tell you, you ain't never had therapy like this type of therapy. You ain't never had therapy like this type of therapy. Okay, go get you some. Okay, well, I'm glad that you all are staying here. For whatever reason, I'm glad you're still here. You're still listening to me talk about this. But enjoy your week, enjoy your day, and I will see you next week. If you have questions, drop them down below. Let me know. Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me. If you have questions, let me know so that we can talk about the good stuff, okay? All right. Otherwise, enjoy your week. Almost happy Mother's Day. If you're a mother, happy Mother's Day. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.